Have you ever wondered what happens when Venus and Mars flirt in the celestial dance? Tomorrow, we will witness this extraordinary cosmic ballet, along with a phenomenon known as the zodiacal light or false dawn. This celestial event, the conjunction of Venus and Mars, is the result of these two planets lining up with Earth in their respective orbits, giving the illusion of them rising together in our night sky. This alignment happens because the planets orbit the Sun at different speeds and distances. As spectators from Earth, we get to observe this dance up close, with bright Venus and reddish Mars appearing to pass very close to each other in the constellation Capricornus. Now imagine a faint, diffuse and triangular glow seen in the night sky, extending up from the horizon along the ecliptic. This is the zodiacal light, a phenomenon caused by sunlight reflecting off dust particles in the plane of the solar system, in the tranquility of a dark, clear night. This glow is often mistaken for the light of dawn or dusk, earning it the nickname false dawn. But why should we care about these celestial events? Well, they have been observed and interpreted in various cultural and astrological contexts throughout history, often marking significant historical events. For instance, in 1940, during the conjunction of Venus and Mars, World War II began with the invasion of Poland by Germany, and Japan expanded into Southeast Asia with the invasion of French Indochina. So, as you gaze at the night sky tomorrow, remember that you're not just observing a beautiful cosmic spectacle. You're also witnessing a silent celestial dance that has echoed through history, marking the rhythms of our past, and perhaps offering a hint of what the future may hold. Have you ever wondered how our ancestors interpreted the celestial bodies that painted their night skies? The history of astronomical observations is as old as human civilization itself, a testament to our timeless fascination with the cosmos. Our journey begins in China, around 104 BC, during the Han Dynasty. Historical records reveal detailed observations of planets, including potential conjunctions of Venus and Mars. Chinese astronomers meticulously documented these celestial events, and their interpretations often intertwine with state affairs and agriculture. Fast forward to the 10th century in Japan, where the diary of a court lady, Sei Shonagon, reveals her observations of the zodiacal light. She described it as a mysterious and beautiful part of the natural world, reflecting Japanese appreciation for subtle natural phenomena. Moving on to India, in the 5th century AD, Indian astronomical texts, such as the Surya Siddhanta, describe the planets and their motions, indicating that conjunctions like Venus and Mars were observed and possibly used for astrological predictions. In the 11th century, we find ourselves in Persia. Here, astronomers like Omar Khayyam developed highly accurate astronomical tables that likely included observations of planetary conjunctions, demonstrate the advanced state of Persian astronomy. Next, we visit Korea in the 7th century. The Korean historical chronicles, such as the Samguk-sagi, document celestial phenomena, including the appearance of bright objects in the sky, which may have included conjunctions or zodiacal light observations. Transitioning to the Western world, we travel to ancient Greece in the 3rd century BC. The Greek astronomer Ptolemy described the zodiacal light in his work, interpreting it as a phenomenon related to the cosmic harmony of the spheres. In Renaissance Europe, during the 16th century, the conjunction of Venus and Mars was observed by astronomers like Tycho Brahe, who contributed to refining the understanding of planetary motions. Moving to medieval Europe in the 12th century, we find that monastic records and chronicles often included celestial observations, suggesting that phenomena like the zodiacal light were noticed and possibly interpreted as omens. In ancient Rome of the 1st century BC, Roman scholars, following Greek astronomical knowledge, likely observed and wrote about planetary conjunctions, integrating them into their calendrical and astrological systems. Finally, we reach modern Europe in the 19th century. Here, the zodiacal light was studied in detail by astronomers like Giovanni Domenico Cassini, who sought to understand its nature in the context of a heliocentric solar system. To summarize, the pursuit of understanding the celestial bodies has been a constant throughout history, from the Han Dynasty in China recording planetary movements, to say Shonagon's poetic description of zodiacal light in Japan, to the precise astronomical tables of Persian scholars, to the European observations that contribute to our modern understanding of the cosmos. The night sky, in all its mystery and grandeur, has been a canvas for human curiosity and ingenuity for millennia. If this video piqued your curiosity, remember to like it for easy access in the future. I appreciate your attention and support. Until next time, keep looking up and keep learning. Thank you. Greetings, seekers of knowledge. The universe is a grand tapestry of celestial phenomena that can inspire awe, guide explorers, and mark the passage of time. One such event, the conjunction of Venus and Mars, will grace our skies tomorrow. The spectacle of Venus, radiant and bright, coming close to Mars with its distinctive reddish hue, is more than just a visual delight. It has been a source of fascination and interpretation throughout history. Let's journey back to 1940, when Venus and Mars last shared a close encounter. This year was a momentous one, as the world was embroiled in the throes of the signs that correspond to astrological events. In eastern Shanxi province, China, 10,000 Japanese troops launched a counter-attack, marking a significant turn in the Second Sino-Japanese War. This event played a crucial role in shaping the trajectory of World War II in the Pacific, leaving a lasting impact on both China and Japan. Back in Britain, the necessities of war led to the introduction of food rationing, a stark reminder of the war's impact on everyday life and the measures governments took to manage scarce resources. Meanwhile, a technological breakthrough was taking place. The demonstration of FM radio to the Federal Communication Commission marked a milestone in communication technology, laying the foundation for the era of mass communication and entertainment. Further east, Japan expanded its reach by invading French Indochina, a significant event that not only escalated World War II, but also had profound implications for Southeast Asia. In India, the political landscape was changing with the establishment of the Communist Party. This marked a significant moment in India's history, influencing its independence movement and shaping its post-independence policies. Throughout these historical events, the conjunction of Venus and Mars was observed in the sky. The celestial event was often given astrological significance, influencing decisions of leaders and navigators. The coming together of Venus, associated with femininity, and Mars, linked with masculinity, was seen as a symbol of unity, balance, or a portent of change in various cultures. So as we prepare for the conjunction of Venus and Mars tomorrow, remember the wisdom of the past. Embrace the power of knowledge and intellect to reach new heights. Remain open to new ideas and continue learning. Realize the balance between yin and yang and understand the laws of the universe. Employ cutting-edge technology like neural AI to discern the difference between appearance and reality and understand the connection between knowledge and action in the grand scheme of celestial events. The conjunction of Venus and Mars is a reminder of the universe's rhythm and our place within it. As we gaze upon this spectacle, let's remember the lessons of 1940 and apply them to our present and future.